Well, I found several candidates for the Classy Brassy challenge that George at Uwannwatch has challenged us all to. And I finally settled on this little gem. Looking through my junk box of things I will never use, I found this. This is a brass propane valve out of an old propane grill that I had that finally gave up, rusted out. And I kept this. I don't know why, I just did. I guess so I could put it in the challenge. So let's see what we can do with this gnarly looking dude. You might ask, why would I keep something like this if I don't intend to ever use it? Well, I don't know. If nothing more, maybe we can make it pretty. We're committed now. Never taken one of these apart before. Might be interesting. Don't you just love taking stuff apart? I do. Occasionally I get them back together too. Interesting. Look at that. Okay, we'll come back to that. Here's a spring. Come on. Come on. Don't know if we can go any further with that or not. I bet those are jets, and I bet they come out of there. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe hoses go on there. Not sure. Somebody will tell me, I'm sure. Well, looks like these are threaded. I'm not really sure if I want to take this any further. I'm going to ponder that. What should I do? Should I take it further or not? May have to consult the magic 8-ball. I'm going to use some PB Blaster to see if we can loosen these up a little bit before I start cranking on them. I think I'll just let that soak. Ouch. I meant to do that. This piece is brass. This is steel, because it's a magnet will attach to this. So this looks like another little steel piece. You don't suppose I could find the knobs, do you? I have a pretty extensive collection of knobs from my interest in electronics and radio restoration. Aha! Look. Could it be? Yes, it could. I think these are the ones. I wouldn't have thrown something like that away. Okay, well, we'll deal with that later. I'm using the fine conditioning belt here on the brass parts. And now for some final polishing with flits. And here are all the parts before reassembly. Reassembly was a little tedious, so I didn't show that. I did that off camera. This piece here will become obvious when you see the final product.
My name is Hank Hill, and I sell propane and propane accessories.
Well, here's my entry into the Uwannwatch Classy Brassy Challenge. It was kind of fun cleaning this thing up. I think it's probably still functional, but I believe it will serve as a display piece and nothing more. So I hope you liked the video. I really enjoyed doing this. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.